3, 2, 1.
In what Disney film was the following question asked? What do you want me to do? Dress in drag and do the hula. The answer is D, The Lion King. The sun appears to move across the sky each day, rising in the east and setting in the west. What causes this apparent motion? The answer is A, the rotation of Earth on its axis. What is a type of chair with a high back and no arms, designed for sitting in an office or home office? The answer is C, executive chair. Which plant has the largest leaf? The answer is C, Victoria amazonica. What gas is contributing to the greenhouse effect? The answer is D, carbon dioxide. Which Nordic god was killed with a mistletoe twig, a traditional decoration for Christmas? The answer is A, Baldur. The Nile River flows through how many countries? The answer is C, 9. If I want to go running at night, what can I use as a reflector? The answer is B, kitchen foil. Which of these careers would a student studying biotechnology most likely pursue? The answer is C, agricultural research. What vesicles store neurotransmitters? The answer is D, synaptic. What was the capital of France during the French Revolution? The answer is A, Paris. The arid environment of a desert, for instance, can quickly deplete an animal of what? The answer is D, water. Which dashboard feature measures the distance traveled in a car? The answer is C, odometer. Which of these is not a top-level domain? The answer is D, .biz. What kinds of acids are proteins made out of? The answer is C, amino acids. What interesting name was given to actor Rob Morrow's daughter from his marriage with actress Debon Iyer? The answer is B, 2. Some plants grow only in specific places in the world. Some cacti, for example, grow only in deserts. Which of the following is most important in determining where a plant can grow and survive? The answer is B, climate. Which of these isn't a time force villain? The answer is D, Phoenix. What product was being formed as plants died and sank to the bottom of swamps? The answer is C, coal. Which popular flower, native to Japan, is a symbol of the Easter holiday? The answer is B, lily. What keeps going long after you're dead? The answer is B, time. What famous actor portrayed Mork's son, on the sci-fi-based sitcom Mork and Mindy? The answer is A, Jonathan Winters. What is a solstice? The answer is A, equinox. What is the smallest unit of life that can exist independently? The answer is A, cell. What vegetable is often used to make ratatouille? The answer is A, tomato. How fast can a black bear run? The answer is A, 48 km/h. Where would the amount of water decrease most? The answer is A, under clear skies. What is the first programming language named? The answer is A, Fortran. What does the acronym CPU stand for in computers? The answer is A, Central Processing Unit. A penguin must do what before molting? The answer is B, increase muscle mass. Which tool is used to bend metal? The answer is C, pliers. Which novel by Emily Bront is set on the moors? The answer is B, Wuthering Heights. What is the tallest building in the world as of 2022? The answer is B, Sears Tower. What counter provides a sensitive means of detecting radioactivity? The answer is D, Geiger. What is the basic unit of structure in chemistry called?
The answer is A, atom.
What burns to produce the white light in fireworks displays? The answer is D, magnesium in air. During the 1952 presidential campaign, then-exiting President Harry Truman had a nickname for presidential candidate Scaff, over whom he disliked and distrusted. What was that nickname? The answer is C, cow fever. Which appliance has coils that can be found under the refrigerator? The answer is D, freezer. Which of the following is named after the island of Ibiza? The answer is A, a music genre. In which movie does Leonardo DiCaprio play Jack Dawson? The answer is B, Titanic. What was slash were the final word S of the Lorax when he left in the self-titled children's book? The answer is A, unless. What type of hat was commonly worn by Louis Roman XIV? The answer is D, three-cornered hat D. With which sport is Carl Lewis associated? The answer is A, athletics. Randall is picking lettuce from his garden for dinner. His mother told him to leave some leaves on each plant. Why is it important to leave some leaves on the plant? The answer is A, leaves help the plant make food. When a button is pushed on a battery-operated clock, the time display is illuminated. What process has taken place? The answer is C, closing an electric circuit has produced light. Which one of these dinosaurs was carnivorous? The answer is D, a raptor. Which is considered a non-renewable resource? The answer is A, oil. Which mountain range was formed by a continental collision? The answer is C, Ural. We move 500 years back in time. You are on a ship with Ferdinand Magellan, and you are trying to find the Western Passage to India. In which order will you pass the estuaries of South American rivers? The answer is C, Orinoco, Amazon, La Plata. Intensity is defined to be the power per unit area carried by a what?